Did you know 99% of website visitors don't act? That's significant lost potential. Website owners must convert visitors to customers. Eye-catching pop-ups capture attention and drive engagement. Hello Bar has transformed sites since 2012. With over 600,000 satisfied customers, we create compelling pop-ups. Founded by digital experts and endorsed by Neil Patel, Hello Bar is trusted by leaders like Tony Robbins. Not all pop-ups are the same. A well-designed pop-up captures attention without being annoying. It guides users to act, whether signing up or purchasing. Bad pop-ups drive visitors away. Imagine a beautifully branded email opt-in to engage visitors. Effective designs enhance user experience and encourage interaction. They prompt clicks on enticing calls to action. Hello Bar's templates suit any business. Bloggers and corporations benefit from our professional designs for optimal performance. Our no-code builder lets anyone create stunning pop-ups aligning with their brand. Affordability counts. Our pricing adapts as your business scales, making it accessible for all. Choose from various pop-ups, from top bars to modals, for every objective. Why choose Hello Bar? We emphasize simplicity with easy templates and flexible designs. Our drag and drop features ensure high conversions without hassle. Capture attention with captivating pop-ups that turn visitors into loyal customers. Start using Hello Bar today to unlock your website's potential. Boost conversions now.